In this video, I'll be deriving the node feature definition list for cross-sections. So first I'm going to refer to my conduit feature definition list that I've created for ditches and channels. And I want to make sure I have cross-section nodes available for any of these ditches and channels that I might use. So this is going to leave me with a list that looks something like this, where I will have a feature definition for each possible ditch shape that I would need to use. If I take a look at a cell library, it's going to look something like this, where I'm going to have a different cell for each material that's used or each shape of ditch, as well as the actual cross-sectional attributes for each one of these. Within these cell models, I'm going to have both a top and bottom elevation point. I'm going to have a connection region, and then I'm also going to have an alignment line and alignment point. So going back to my list, I'm going to have a feature definition for each cross-section that I have inside my cell library, so for each size and shape and material. Also, I'm going to include a user-defined cross-section. Now you could build this out further per material. It's not going to actually model what's typed in the user-defined as far as the cross-sectional attributes, but hydraulically it will be modeled to whatever is entered into those properties. So you could create a feature definition for each material so that you could see the material for the different ones, or you could have, in my case, it's just going to be more generic. I've also included feature definitions for a cross-section from the surface. So what this will do is when we place this type of node, it's going to pull the cross-section from the terrain model that it's placed on. And I'm going to create one for each material that I might want it to create it from.